Hello everyone, welcome back to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. Today, I will be solving the problem Reach Home that came up in Codechef contest status 82. So, first let's read the question. What the question says, and first let's understand the question. The question is as follows. Chef is hungry and wants to reach home. So, the chef travels up to 5 kilometers on 1 liter of fuel on his motorcycle. Currently, his motorcycle is filled with X liters of fuel and his home is 5 kilometers away. So, we have to determine whether the chef can reach his home on his motorcycle or not. That is, first let's understand what the question says. It says that if the motorcycle has X liters of fuel, then it can travel X into 5, this much kilometers. Fine. It is said like here. Chef can travel up to 5 kilometers on 1 liter of fuel on his motorcycle. That is, on 1 liter, he can travel 5 kilometers. So for X liters, he can travel X into 5 kilometers. So after that, what we have to see is if the chef can reach his home on his motorcycle or not. So the input format is such that we will be first taking the test cases, then we'll take two integers, that is the amount of fuel in the chef's motorcycle and the distance chef travels to go to his home. So first we will dry run for the first test case, that is if in his bike 2 liters of fuel is present and he has to travel 10 kilometers, will he be able to do it? Let's first see. 2 liters of fuel is present, which means that he can travel 2 into 5, that is 10 kilometers. So yes, he can travel 10 kilometers with the amount of fuel present in his bike. So we will print yes. Let's check for the next condition. It says that he has 3 liters, 3 liters and he has to travel 17 kilometers. We can clearly see that 3 into 5, that is 15, is less than 17. That is 50. That bike has only 15 liters, 15 kilometers to travel, but his home is 17 kilometers away. So we will print straight no. So from here you might have got a clear view, a picture of what logic we are going to use. So now let's go to the code, how to implement this logic. So here is the code. What we will do is we will first take the number of test cases, then we will take two input, that is the x and the y. Then as I told you, x into 5, x is the amount of petrol needed by the chef, and y is the distance of his home. If amount of petrol into 5, that is the number of kilometers the bike can travel, is greater than or equal to the distance of his home, then we will print yes, otherwise we will print no. This was the code. I hope you got the logic and understood the solution. With this, thank you.